Hey all, what a crazy week for the stock markets. I deposited my $150 like I always do on Monday and bought $15 of each in my favorite 10 stocks. Then on Thursday, when the market was down 1,000 points, I put in another $200 and purchased $20 of each of my stocks. And finally on Friday, when the market was down 2,200 points, I purchased another $15 of each of my stocks. Remember, the market does not go up forever and it will have corrections. That is why I do dollar cost averaging every week. There were no dividends for the week, so let me show you my portfolio. My number of shares are going up every week as I do my dollar cost averaging. I was down $132 for Friday, but overall I'm down $150.19 since I started doing this account, and that is down 6.67% basically since I started doing this. If you look at my dividend overview, you can see Costco is now going to pay me 98 cents per year. Duke Energy is now up to $7.33. JP Morgan, $5.39. Main Street Capital, $12.09. Altria, $14.72. The Schwab ETF Fund, $11.04. Visa, $1.57. VU, $2.78. Waste Management, $3. And ExxonMobil, $8.27. This now brings my new yearly total to $67.17. That is up from $51.27 I did last week. That is due to me buying more shares on Thursday and Friday and the market being down, so I was able to buy cheaper shares. Thank you all again for watching, and remember, keep investing and dollar cost averaging.